Vredesnaam.
What?
What is it?
Bob's Red Mill flour.
Wij gaan naar Bob's Flour.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
We're going to go.
Right.
Yeah.
Spelt flour. That's real healthy.
But it's bulk.
Yeah, so you get a bag like that and you open this up
Wow.
and here's the little scooper. And then you scoop
Jeetje.
up how much you want
Okay.
and put it in your bag, and then there's a little thing
Yeah,
to
red
close
tie.
it. And
Yeah.
this is the bulgur that's in the tabbouleh. This
Yeah.
is the little grain that's in there. It's wheat.
Aha. Maar ook snoep.
Lots of snoop.
Lots of snoep.
There's even, yeah, and this has chocolate. Those chocolate chips for cookies or whatever.
Noten.
Yeah. And then they give you recipes.
Chocoladebrokken.
Yeah,
Oh ja.
that's recipes for the stuff.
Heeft wel wat, hè? Zo'n
Nuts.
winkel in Oud-Karspel. Wat is dat nou?
Kiwi fruit. Do you have kiwi?
Ja, kiwi.
Yeah. Oh, you know what I should get? Some raisins.
Oké. Peach. Perziken.
Peaches and
Ja.
yeah.
Pruimen.
Prunes.
Lekker, hè?